Okay, last thing I'm going to do today on Matlab is scripting. So we've got, if you go up here, you can switch windows. So we've got workspace. This is a navigator. This is just like your Windows, your folder navigation in a regular window. You even get the path name up top right here. So current folder just tells you all the, just helps you with navigation. This here, down here you get a summary of what the function is, and so far we don't have anything. Workspace, we've already talked about that. The function button that helps you get help about the function. And now, this will get you other windows. You got command, history, command, current folder, workspace, and a detail window. You can get to some others. History is a really good one. So let's go down here. We just made our sign plot. I'm going to select that range, right click, and it says create script. So now I've got an editor. I now have a script going on. I'm going to suppress output. That little orange equal sign means, do you really want to output this stuff? And I'm saying, no, I really don't. So I'll put a semicolon on it and it goes away. This little thing here, basically languages change, and this is trying to tell me this is a warning, it's not an error. I don't have to use a bracket here. The old way of doing things was to use a bracket. The new way is not. And Matlab is trying to tell us that you can do it the new way if you want. You can do it the old way if you want. So whenever you see this little red squiggly, it's telling you that there might be an error or there might be a warning. And of course, if I took away the semicolon, it'll give me an orange equal with a red squiggly under it. That's a warning. It's kind of hard actually to throw an error in Matlab. That's one of the beauties of it. And if you've ever dealt with another language, that's one of the reasons engineers like it. It's pretty robust. It's kind of hard to really go wrong with it. I want you to do a publish. Whenever you output your homework, I want you to use the publish command. And to use the publish command, you'd put a $%. That is a title. And I'm going to say, title it plot of sign function. Percent. Percent is an ordinary comment. Create data from 0 to 360 degrees. Calculate sign. And plot. So you're putting a comment in. The $% tells you a new section. And and also there's run in advance. You can run a section, make sure it works. And I'll get to that in just a second. Oops. You can run a section, make sure it works, and then it'll advance to the next section. There's a run section thing up here, so it'll just execute all the commands in a particular section. Let's see, percent. Do the plot. Now, since my comment up here says this, I'm going to change my comment. Do the plot. Now label the plot. I've just created a script to do those commands that we just did on the command line, command window. So I've just created a script. I'm going to save it. So you can go to save right here. Save as. It's whatever. This is where you might want to save to your USB drive when you're doing your homework. Navigate to USB drive. Here's, oops, where'd my save window go? It just went and disappeared. I think I navigated away from it. Under here, you'd have your USB drive would be listed when you're using that. So, test publish. Let's just overwrite this. Okay, it's going to ask me if I want to overwrite, and it should be around here. Yeah, do you want to replace it? Yes, I do. Now, run will just run everything. If I just run it, I will get what I got before. I'm going to, the figure's gone already. Okay, just going to run it. I'll get the figure, what I got before. That is not publish. Publish is P-U-B-L-I-S-H, a command. Publish. What file do I want to go for? And by the way, you'll notice as I'm typing, it gives you help. You know something? I don't need this editor open anymore. I can just close it out so I get more room. Yes?
Can you do publish again?
Oh, I'm going to do it right now.
But how did you save it?
Okay, here. I'm opening it up again. Let's open it up. Save. If I save as, so I can change the name now. I don't have to save it as test publish. If I just do save right now, it'll just save whatever changes I made. Just like Word. You hit save, it doesn't ask you what file name do you want. If you go save as, you can change the file name. Okay. But I don't want to do that. I just want to leave it alone. And I'm just going to close the editor window. Publish. The file I want to publish is test underscore publish. The only characters allowed in Matlab are letters and the underscore. It's also case sensitive. Capital A is different than little a. I want to publish it to a PDF document. So when I hit return, it's going to create a PDF document that's formatted according to the specifications that I just gave it. It will automatically overwrite. Let's see. I'm waiting for it to finish. There, it just finished. It gives me the command prompt back. I go over here. This is a formatted document of what we've just done, the commands we just executed. Table of contents. You know, here's the commands we did. Oops, let me make the PDF file bigger. Here's the commands we just did. Creating the data, doing the plotting those things. Oh, come on, Flash. Come on, Flash, or Acrobat, excuse me. Label it. So the double % gives us nice big headings. Whatever commands we execute are here. The plot command, it puts the figure right in the document like so. So now I see all the commands it took to create the figure. I want you to be sure and do all the homework with the publish. You got to create a script file, this right here, this script file, and then use the publish command, produce a PDF, print that out, and bring it in for your homework for Matlab. Chapter 2, due in 2 weeks. I already wrote it down.